going on, guys? My name is Brett. I'm a vlogger from the East Coast. I'm out here in San Francisco for the first time ever, and I'm gonna show you guys a couple healthy plant-based meals that you can incorporate into your diet. Doesn't matter if you are vegan, it doesn't matter if you love meat. These are healthy options that anybody can work into their diet. Let's get started. Right here we have tofu and a couple other ingredients that I'm gonna show you 3 different ways you can cook them with the same ingredients. Basically, we're gonna make 3 different types of dishes with all of this. Tofu is very versatile, definitely a main source of protein for a plant-based diet, and something that I wanted to feature in this episode for you guys today. So first, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys tofu tacos. So for me, I don't want soggy tofu in anything I'm having. I have a video on my YouTube channel called How to Make Tofu Taste Like Crispy Chicken. I wanted to show you guys just basically how easy it is to go get some tofu that's already pre-marinated, pre-seasoned. So we're gonna take 1 block of this sriracha baked tofu, okay? I'm going to dice it up. Right here I have avocado oil. You can cook at a high temperature with avocado oil and not lose the benefits of what the avocado oil is bringing. Basically, you just wanna coat the pan with it. Grab a little thing of minced garlic, organic preferably, and then we're gonna just be drizzling that on top and using that as a just a little flavor add. All right, tofu is done. Next is going to be what we're using for the shell. What I like to do though, that I don't think a lot of people do, is to season the tortilla before I throw it on to get some heat. And I like to just get a little bit of water on the outsides of these, and then I sprinkle some spices on them. All right, so we got them nice and crispy. We're gonna throw a little bit of mixture of tofu on top, a little bit of lettuce. We'll throw a little onion on top. Pepper here just to add some color. All right, and then we have the radishes. I love chickpeas, so I'm gonna be using those. I also have some black beans. Let's throw a little bit of salsa on top of here. Well, what are tacos without cilantro, right? So gotta kind of incorporate those on top. Here I have a lime. This is just to kind of squeeze over it at the end. There you guys go. 2 tacos, easy to make, colorful, healthy, and most of all, beneficial. 2 different versions of one staple that will definitely add to a diet and only benefit you for the future. Moving on, guys, we got our second option today. I'm gonna show you some lettuce wraps. Using the tofu the same way. The difference here is we're not gonna be dicing and slicing. We're going to be cutting them in long strips because that's just the best way to kind of construct this option. So I'm gonna have some red peppers in here, some green peppers in here, and then also a cucumber. And then you want to start flipping over and you'll start seeing a little bit of a golden take on the outside. Among this arts and crafts table of vegetables that I have here, I'm going to be using butter lettuce to make these lettuce wraps. I would recommend this for sure over anything else because it's the easiest to fold. It's pretty, it's green. We are going to rub these down first with sriracha. So we got a little turmeric, and then we're going to throw all the vegetables on top. Next, let's get the tofu on here. If you see, it's nice and crispy. We've created that chickeny texture to it. Same ingredients, guys. New dish. So you saw the simplicity, you saw how easy it is, you saw what I used. Work it in for yourself, and I promise you, you won't be sorry. Also, a little bonus for you guys. I'm gonna show you the same exact process, but we're gonna be showing you a bowl. Quinoa is packed with protein, packed with vitamins and minerals. Create a nice little bed of quinoa. Take your tofu, and then just put it across it. And you could just get messy with this. We don't wanna go crazy with stacking. This is a bowl. You know, this is meant to be mixed up. That's what I like. I like to get messy. And then last but not least, we have our spices from before. And then I have just a little wedge of lime. Give it a nice squeeze. And then just throw it on the side there. So essentially the same thing that we've been using for everything is now in a bowl. No tortilla, no lettuce wraps. Just everything that would go inside with some quinoa. All right, so these are the 3 options. I got some guests with me here. Be honest though, let's not just be, we're not gonna be nice to me. I wanna know the real opinion. We're good?
It's perfect. Lots of flavors. Got a kick to it, but not too strong. Absolutely wonderful.
Crunchy and good. That wraps it up, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this whole process of easy ways to work healthy food into your diet. Thank you, guys.